Are you one of those type A planners? You have the color-coded tabs on your notebook, then you are probably an early tax filer who likes to get it done as soon as you have your tax forms. Now you can legally start returns as early as January 1st, but most e-filing situations are going to take place between mid-January and mid-February. Stick around, I have 5 options for tax software that you'll want to take note of that are perfect for early tax filers. Hey guys, it's Justine with The College Investor, investing and personal finance for millennials. So you are ready to go. We have 5 options for you to consider when it comes to DIYing your taxes with really good tax software all over the spectrum. And there's a couple of reasons for this. And I want to show you a really helpful chart that I think is going to help you decide which tax software is right for you. But also stick around in the end. I'm also going to rank which tax software is the best for easy to use and the best tax software for the fastest refund. Now, our top 5 tax software for early tax filers includes TurboTax, H&R Block, TaxAct, TaxHawk, and TaxSlayer. The reason why we picked these top 5 are for a variety of different reasons, and the first is ease of use. Now, the easiest tax software out of these 5 is TurboTax, and then followed by H&R Block, TaxAct, TaxHawk, and TaxSlayer. Now let me tell you which portions of the tax software is ready to go for you. For TurboTax, all income and credit deduction sections worked, but states are still delayed. And you're gonna find that pretty much across the board. And that's because states have different tax filing and regulations that you'll wanna take note of. And sometimes those change from year to year, hence why it takes longer for those state filings to be available for you. Now, H&R Block, the self-employed Schedule C section doesn't work yet, and state filing won't be ready until late December, and then importing, which is so crucial when you're filing your own taxes, in my opinion, won't be available until late January. TaxAct, TaxHawk, and TaxSlayer, all of their income, credit, and deduction sections worked, but again, you're not going to be able to file that state return until probably end of January. In all cases, you'll need to sign up to try, and then also none of the tax software that we listed here had any technical issues, which makes them top contenders for early tax filers. Okay, let's talk about federal and state pricing for each of these options, because obviously the price point is going to be crucial in figuring out which tax software is right for you. Now, if you are wanting the premium experience, you're going to pay a premium price, and that's with TurboTax. Even though they offer free filing options, you're really probably going to see a lot of scenarios in which you have an HSA or you're investing, you have capital gains that you need to report. You might have to bump up into a paid option. So federal pricing can be anywhere from free to self-employed, upwards of $89. The state pricing is going to be upwards of $39 for self-employed. H&R Block also has free options, and then their self-employed versions go up to $84.99 for federal and $36.99 for state. TaxAct and TaxHawk and TaxSlayer are kind of our bargain options. So TaxAct, you're going to see upwards of $64.95 for the self-employed federal option, and then for state filing for self-employed is $44.95. TaxHawk has the most simple pricing options with the free version, deluxe for $6.99, and then you can upgrade for pro support for $24.99. And then their state filing is just $14.99 across the board. Now, TaxSlayer has free options, and then upwards of $54.95 for self-employed federal pricing, and then $39.95 to file your state return if you are claiming a self-employed income. All right, so you have the premium pricing, you have the bargain pricing, but let's talk about which tax software is best for fast refunds. So TurboTax and TaxSlayer take the cake on best for fast refunds because they offer advanced refund checks, meaning you will get a check paid out by the tax software company while they wait for your federal refund to come in. Also, those refunds are offered as 0% interest loans for you. Now, the easiest to use after our research and testing definitely goes to TurboTax. TurboTax by far had the best user experience and user interface out of all of the tax software options that we've tested. By the way, you can see all of those complete video and walkthroughs on our website if you still need to figure out which one is right for you. Now, the best low-cost option is with TaxHawk. If you are looking for bargain software, if you've done your taxes before and you don't need a whole lot of hand-holding, TaxHawk might be the right option for you. Even those with the most complex of tax filing situations will probably find the best low-cost option with TaxHawk. Now, in terms of best value, you'll want to take a look at H&R Block Premium and TaxSlayer Classic. Those middle tier options are probably the best for those who are side hustlers or landlords, maybe have a little bit more that bumps them out of a free version, but still want a premium feel without the premium cost. Let's go with H&R Block Premium and TaxSlayer Classic. Now, if that quick rundown of the best options for early tax filers isn't enough for you to make a decision, don't forget we have complete walkthroughs of each of the options that we've discussed in this video available to you at thecollegeinvestor.com.